Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you iPhone tips. Apple never tells you. Let's go. First, back tap magic. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap. Double tap the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot or open any app. Crazy useful. Second, hidden trackpad. Hold the space bar while typing. Now move your finger. Your keyboard turns into a trackpad for perfect text editing. Third, one-hand mode. Swipe down on the bottom edge of your screen to pull everything lower. Perfect for big iPhones. Fourth, photo cleanup. Open Photos, tap Select, swipe to choose multiple photos fast, delete junk in seconds. Fifth, battery saver trick. Ask Siri. Turn on low power mode. Instantly saves battery without digging into settings. Follow for more iPhone tricks Apple won't tell you. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. For more, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.